My name is Craig Miller. My title at CleanSpark is Site Manager over Norcross. That's a long story, really. So I first off started mining cryptocurrency, and it became more of what I did, more of how I earned income. So I ended up quitting my job at a plant, and I full-time mined Bitcoin, or not mined Bitcoin, but mined Ethereum at the time, and just traded crypto and did all that stuff. And then I ended up quitting my day job, just did that full time. And then I was doing research on an article that I was writing about staking Binance Coin, and that's when I came across an article that said CleanSpark's opening up a facility in Norcross. So I was like, okay, cool. I didn't know we mined in Georgia. That's pretty wild. So then I applied through CleanSpark's website, and here I am. So we have a lab here at CleanSpark, and what we do here is we have four members on our repair team. So those four people, what they do is they get miners in from all our sites, and then they diagnose those miners. And then once they're through with their diagnosis, what they'll do is they'll repair most of these, and they can go even chip level repair with these miners. What CleanSpark means to me is it's giving me an opportunity to build upon myself and learn more about what I love, which is digital currencies and Bitcoin and decentralization of those, and security of the network and all that. So CleanSpark gave me the opportunity to better myself.